Hey, assalamu alaikum. What's up? I think you guys very fabulous by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And as you can see, this is Samrat once again in front of you. So today I would like to share something. So it's really pretty fabulous. That is like you can see around everywhere. It's like this is what it is. What can you guess? It's like planted onion. You know, like the one of this field they have already planted this onion and it's a grown up you know that's why it's look like green, and every field is like full field of this onion. It will like grow up and the farmer will cultivate from here, they will collect from here. This is really cool time. And by the way, I went over there, you can see, look behind, because we have also like planted onion of our field, and I went there for help my father because we have to like wait the onion field. That's why I went there for helping my father to carry something. That's why, by the way, as you can see, this is my place where we are living and we're working. This field is our workplace, and it's not only us. Every blazes people, like they are working here, and they're collecting various type of, it's like vegetables or any kind of, so like a lot of things they have cultivate from here, which is really like perfect place in my area. And as you can see behind me, this is a pond. In this pond, like the one of the owner of the like pond, those are like collecting, and those are catching catfish actually, which is, I can say, natural fish that is like everyone know that it's like blazes fish, the which is so, I can say, marvelous fish. And we'll have to get this kind of fish from that kind of pond. You can see, by the way. So what should I say? I don't know. So now I'd like to show you one more thing. You know what? Wait a minute. I am just rushing there, and I'm just only talking for my learning purpose. Nothing else. And you can see here, what is what is that? Can you please tell me? Can you guess that? What is that? Huh? It's a rice plant. It's called rice plant. It's like little rice plant, and the plant will unrooting from here, and it will also plant it, like it's like very field or somewhere. It's like over there. It will fill beside this river, or you can some field. And after that the plant will be grown up, and then we will get rice. So this is a party. The party will be, and we'll connect the party from there. By the way, so I'd like to share something that is also a cool thing. What is that? Can you guess? This is called mask. And here we go, we can see, this is there is a flowers. The flowers name is mask flower, which is really incredible flowers. It's the blazes area. And one more thing, here we go. You can see here's also rice plant. And what is that? Do you know what is that? This is what? Guys, can you guess that which plant here is? This is like garlic plant. Garlic. This is whole garlic plant. It's really cool thing. Here, so you can see over there, it's green. It's like yellow color. The flowers. The flowers, master flowers. And here we go. You can see the master flowers. Master flowers that's around this field. It's really marvelous moment that I am like enjoying. This is really amazing time of myself that I'm enjoying right now. By the way, though it's like what? It's around, oh my goodness, it's approximately 11 a.m. but everywhere is like little foggy because the fog is representing the winter. Because in my country it's like winter is going on. That's the reason everywhere it's like lit every corner. We are getting some, like foggy. Okay, so this is the symbol of our country's winter season. Okay, so keep learning, keep practicing, keep like try to evaluate everything, whatever you can see. This way, you can enhance yourself, your communication skill, whatever, when you have ability. Okay, by the way, so here you go. This is cool flowers. You can see, guys. It's marvelous flowers that I really love. Oh my goodness, what a view, guys. As you can see, this is really cool time of muscle. Okay, enjoy uh your learning and enjoy the environment that is surrounding you. Try to get the beautiful feature everywhere. Everywhere is hidden beautiful features. You, oh my goodness, everywhere is green. Okay, that's all for now. See ya.